Wishing all of you a very happy and healthy 2021. Talking about health, in 2020, I think most of us took care of our health by having the right kind of food, the right kind of medicines to keep our immunity up to fight the virus. So we thought, why not have a very special guest on the show to begin this year on a very positive note. I'm talking about a person who has been a health advocate for the last 25 years. He has followed the route of direct sales and transformed many lives in advocating the healthcare to them and also making them advocate healthcare to their customers. For him, it is not the right food, but also right kind of cooking that makes the food more healthy and nutritious. He's talked about something which was very, very interesting and something that I had not heard of before. Yes, he talked about waterless and oilless cooking. Is it even possible? Let's hear it from him. Let's welcome Mr. Parmeshwar Bhatt, who is the Chief Operating Officer for Home Classic International in India. So over to you, Mr. Bhatt, and a very, very warm welcome.
Hi, Ms. Ondrila and everyone on this channel. Also from my side, everyone happy, healthy 2021. Just now Ms. Ondrila talked about health, which is priority in this 2021. When I talked about health, health is basically depends on how we eat and how we live. And therefore I believe in the philosophy of healthy eating, healthy living over last 25 years. When I talk about this philosophy, then which comes to my mind is cooking. Healthy cooking is important to live healthy. And if you believe healthy cooking is an art, then using right cookware and cooking food for accurate temperature is a science. This is according to me, my belief. While cooking is a subjective thing, of course, the process of choosing right cookware something that calls for knowledge, information. Normally we buy many fancy cookware, convenient non-stick ones. The truth is some of these modern cookware are dangerous as they emit toxic, cancer-causing fumes. Therefore, we at Home Classic sell cookware which is made up of high-grade stainless steel or surgical stainless steel, which is non-porous, non-corrosive, non-reactive and strongest metal. While the cooking body made up of 1810 stainless steel, bottom we have something called thermo-diffusing base which distributes heat evenly and retains the heat for more than an hour. And cookware has got a snug fitting lid which comes with thermo knob which helps you to get accurate temperature while cooking. Because of all this technology, you are right, Ondrila, you talked about waterless and fatless cooking. Because of this technology, you can do waterless and fatless cooking, which helps you to live the philosophy of healthy eating and healthy living.
Thanks, Mr. Bhatt, for sharing with us how important right temperature is for cooking healthy food and how important the cooking unit is. It'll be interesting to see a cooking unit of Home Classic International. Moreover, I have a question. When we talk about oilless and waterless cooking, will it not compromise on the taste of the food?
I know, you're curious to know, curious to see our Home Classic cookware, which is also called as jewel of the kitchen. Even I am also excited to show you our Home Classic cookware. Here it is for you. Home Classic cookware, which is also called as jewel of the kitchen, which is made up of surgical stainless steel. And Ms. Ondrila, you ask the right question, that waterless and fatless cooking will affect the taste. Surprisingly, you will eat more tastier and healthier food. This is due to the retention of vitamins, minerals, aroma and color of the vegetables when you cook without water. And of course, Miss Oindrilla, less oil as well as less intake of calories, good for our health. And this more vitamins, more minerals, as well as intake of calories enhances the immunity power, which is very much required in this 2021. Apart from this product can cook, bake, broil, deep fry, serve, etc. for your lifetime.
If one cookware can be used to steam, roast, bake and cook and even serve, I would definitely want to buy a cookware like this. Moreover, how does one get to buy a home classic cookware? And will you be giving a special offer to the viewers of A Toast to Life and Happiness?
Thank you, Ms. Oindrilla, showing interest and asking to get to know more about our special cookware. Of course, our cookware is available in all metropolitan cities as well as all major cities of India. These cookwares are sold through direct selling. That means our expert healthcare consultants demonstrate this cookware at your home at your convenient time. And of course, you can reach us through this channel to get to know more about our free home demonstration. Of course, Miss Oindrilla, the viewer of your channels will get special discounts and offers which you can announce end of this video. And I wish you all the best. Once again, I wish you and your channel viewers happy, healthy 2021.
Thanks, Mr. Bhatt, for your insight on the right kind of cooking at the right kind of temperature in the right kind of cookware. We now know where to go and buy our home classic cookware from. For our viewers, we have a special discount which is being offered by Mr. Bhatt, which is a 5% discount, which is valid only till the 31st of January. If you are interested, you must write interested in the comment box. I have also mentioned the website and the Facebook page details from where you can buy home classic cookware. Please do not forget to use the promo code OG2021 to avail of your 5% discount on the cookware, and the validity of it is only till 31st of January. So please do not lose this opportunity. Till we meet again, stay healthy and stay happy. Take care and goodbye.